Chow famously said that the real test of a great chef is
guys.
perfectly roasted chicken.
team
By the looks and the smell of this, guess what? You got Daphne, Vanessa, Gina, and Jamika all being great chefs today.
Yes.
Daphne, welcome back from maternity leave.
Happy to be back. Oh my goodness, tell us, what have you been up to? We missed you.
Before that, I want to hear what's on the menu because I got to go help a little bit.
Tell us first.
I've been there while she's been recovering.
I thought I was the one who was scatterbrained today. All right, it's winner chicken dinner. If you couldn't tell, we got chicken of all kinds coming up with the teams today. From the main attraction, of course, to the sides. You can put all of your eggs in this basket because we've got you covered. We're making a side like our delicious creamed spinach with garlic and herb breadcrumbs. Sounds so good. We've got the ultimate loaded mashed potatoes. I'm excited about those. And we, of course, are starting with the bird herself, a cheesy chicken roll-up dish that's soon to be your family's favorite.
All right, so I'm going to get working on the potatoes, some of the side dishes. You guys play amongst yourselves.
Okay.
We'll do. We'll play nice.
So guys, this is like the first time I've gotten dressed in about 8 weeks, which is exciting.
How are you
really
feeling?
exciting. I feel good. I feel really good. Thank you. So Gigi, our baby, she's 8 weeks old this week.
So that explains this
She
beautiful
looks like Daddy. I see Daddy in there.
She looks a lot like my
Just
husband.
like Daddy.
But isn't it weird how little babies, their faces change all the time? I feel like I'll look at her one day and she looks like my side of the family. I'll look at her another day, she looks like my husband. So, but I will say, our family, we have one recipe. All my kids look exactly the same. It's hilarious. And I have to say, a lot of my girlfriends who are thinking about having more kids, they're like, how is 4 different than 3 or 2? I maintain, and you have 4, so you can weigh on this.
You're caught up.
1 to 2 was the hardest for me because 1, you're like kind of just going with the flow and trying to figure it out. You think you have it sorted, you think you're the expert, then you introduce 2, and it's a whole new ball game. It's like going to 10. And then from that point on, it's been kind of like adding animals at the zoo. It just gets a little louder and a little crazier. But,
Yeah, I heard an Irish saying, just throw the potato on the fire.
That's right. But this is my oldest. This is Philomena. And I will say, the cutest thing to me about this round of introducing a new baby, this is her nursing her doll.
She said, I'm a mommy too.
She's getting ready.
I'm a mommy too.
And that maternal instinct has just come out in her in a way that never did with the other kids. It's been really wonderful to see that. With the first baby, I loved seeing my parents become grandparents, and I love seeing my kids become even better older siblings as we grow the brood. But enough about me, because I want some chicken dinner.
Yeah, already. Gotta get to some chicken.
I've been hungry. I've been waiting to see you all. And yeah, let's shake a tail feather and start on these cheesiest chicken roll-ups. We are going to make an assembly line. Keep it easy for busy moms. This is something that I really am into right now. Gina, why don't you start us off? What do we start with?
Sure. We're going to start with some chicken breast. Yes. That I'm going to tenderize. And this is a good time to take out any frustration that you may have.
Watch out.
Tenderize.
This is what that dress I bought 2 weeks ago and doesn't fit today. How dare you?
Flying chicken.
Go for it, girl.
And
That's how you
using
do
the
it.
flat side of this tenderizer.
And I'm
I
using
think
the
that's
flat
important.
side, yes.
So that it looks beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, so I have one here that is Gina's completely taken out all her aggression on.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. So now we have the flattened chicken breast, and then we're going to start to layer it. And we just start building flavor. So I have here Dijon mustard. Now, if you all do not have Dijon mustard in your pantry, you are missing your life because it adds tanginess, saltiness, a little spice. And then we're going to layer in, you can use your sliced deli ham. We are using prosciutto. Keeping a little fancy there.
I like it.
And then we come with the cheese, of course. And this
mozzarella.
we're using Gruyere. You can use
Gruyere, ooh.
Swiss. It gives you that nice little bite inside. You see how it's already, the flavors are coming alive, people. Do you see this?
And then the Gruyere gives it a little nutty look.
I love that.
Yes, it does, it does.
And now here's a little trick to show you how to roll it up. And this is something I do love. Chicken breast, obviously, it's kind of lean. It can dry out very easily. Having that prosciutto and the cheese on the inside, and then, of course, that flavor boost from the Dijon makes this a very tasty, flavorful dinner that's not going to dry out for you. Here's a great tip, though. Have your saran wrap underneath and use that to tuck and roll, okay? So kind of like your sushi. You're tucking it there and then lift it back, keep going, give it a little tight squeeze again here, and here's the best part, keeps your hands clean. Once you're rolled up, continue sealing the package, and then give it a quick twist like this. This is something that I'm relying on big time right now. When you're gonna get your kitchen dirty, get your hands messy, make a bunch, pop that in the refrigerator overnight, and then you cook it up the next day. You save yourself a bunch of time, and that actually it works to seal it even better, so it really holds itself together when it does come time to cook.
Flavors seep in.
The flavors all meld together. I love that.
Okay.
But we're not done?
Brilliant.
Vanessa, what do we do from
So
here to
if you
gild
want
the
to get
lily?
your hands dirty, like I'm about to do, you take it and you roll it in flour.
Step one.
Yum, yum, yum. Then you roll it in egg.
You got that beautiful manicure.
Oh, well. Here we go. And seasoned breadcrumbs. Yes. And then you pop it on the pan here.
And this is that classic breading: flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, February, if you're ever looking to remember.
And into the oven we go.
Rainy.
Do, 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 do.
Sing into the oven.
Do we
You got
have
Things
here?
everywhere. She's like,
Oh my God. Look.
Oh, she's got asbestos hands.
I do. It's hot. Yum, yum, yum.
Wow.
Okay.
That looks. Oh, look at. Wait, I'm sorry. Wait, come back for 1 second.
Golden,
Please look at this
delicious
cheese oozing
Look
out.
at
This
that.
is.
Oh my word.
I couldn't stay away.